Hello guys, in this video we are going through about the project related to the IBM Hack challenge. So this is the problem statement that they have given in our project. So we have chosen the agriculture sector. So the statement is analysis agriculture in India and making strategic decisions based on it according to the population. So the description of the problem is the growing population. They need to be analyze the current state of agriculture and make decision to ensure the sustainable agricultural practices, food security, and living opportunities for the population. So, for this, we have to give an expected solution that promotes sustainable agricultural practices, enhance productivity, and improve the standard of living for the growing population. So, they have also given technology tools like IBM Cognos, Python, web framework like Flask, Django. And for the references, they have also given a sample data set. So let's go through the data set right now. So this is the data set. So in this data set, we have different columns like state, district, crop, year, season, area, area units, production units, yield. So with this data set, we have to analyze the state of agriculture in all these years in the India, and we have to give a proper solution for the chosen problem statement. So for this problem, we have developed a solution using the technologies that they have given. So let's go through the project that we have developed. In the nav bar, we have five sections like homepage, visualizations, dashboard, reports, stories. So these visualizations, dashboards, reports, stories are developed using IBM Cognos tool. So let's go to the first visualization. This is the first visualization. The visualization is the crop count according to the year. So here we can see there are number of years, and each year we can see the count of crops. The total number of results of the crop across all over the years is 345,000. Area ranges from nearly 918,000 in 2020 to nearly 195 million in 2021. So the total number of results for area across all over these years is 345,000. Overall years, the average of the area is nearly 12,000. So here we can see the detailed description about the analysis that we have taken. So let's go to the second visualization. This is the second visualization. So the visualization describes about production by state. So in each state, we can see the production, the number of production of the crops. Okay. So in the overall state, the sum of production is approximately 326 billion. The general production is usually high in Kerala, which we can see that in the pie chart. So let's go through the next visualization. Yeah, this is a visualization that describes about crops according to the districts and season. So here we can see in the column the number of districts that we have taken, and the number of seasons like autumn, kharif, rabi, summer. Here we can see the crop count according to that particular season and particular district in all years. So let's go through the next visualization. Yeah, this is the fourth visualization. So here we can see the crops according to the states. In India, there are number of states, right? So the count of the crops in all states in India. So you can see that different crops. So the total number of results for state across all crops is over 345,000. The production range is nearly 5,000 when crop is dry ginger to approximately 311 billion, and crop is coconut. The total number of results for production across all crops is over 340,000. This is the overall analysis according to state by crop. So let's go through dashboards. So this analysis based on the factor years. So if we have chosen a particular year, then the value of crop production and yield is changes according to the year. So we can see that number of states in that year, the crop count and production and yield of the selected states in the India. So this is crop analysis on an year. This is a production analysis on that year. Here we can select a particular year. So here we can see the production of that particular year and production units. Here, oh, here we can see the yield of that particular year. So this is the first dashboard that we have uh, taken according to the analysis based on year. So let's go through the next dashboard. Second dashboard that gives analysis based on the crops. So here we can see different crops based on that crops, the area that the crop have been produced, and the yield of the crop and the production of the crop, and the states which are cultivating that crop in all over the years. So this is the overall analysis of the crop. So this is the production and yield of that crop based on the state and year and crop. Here the yield and production of the crop based on the year and season and crop. This is a crop production according to the particular district. If we select particular crop, here we can see the colors that depicts the crop count in that particular state and district. So this is the dashboard overall analysis based on that crops. So let's go to the next dashboard. This is the dashboard that depicts analysis based on the states and districts. So here, if we choose a particular state and a district and a crop, so in that particular state and district and crop, we can see the value of production, yield, area. So yeah, yeah, this analysis depicts about the crop in that particular state. So this pie chart describes about the crop count in that particular state and the area of that crop. So yield and production according to the year and state is described here. So here we can see the yield and the production units. So this is the overall analysis based on states and districts. Let's go through next dashboard. In all the states in India, here you can see the crop count and production of the season and yield of the season and uh, the districts and the area in that season. So this is the crop analysis based on that season. Here we can see the yield and production based on a particular season according to the year. Here we can see the area and production units based on the particular season. So this is the so these are the dashboards that we have seen. Now let's go to the reports. Yeah, this is the first report that describes about both seasons and crops according to the states. So this is the first visualization. In this visualization, crops according to the season. So we can see the number of crops, uh, the yield and area of that particular crop in that season. So in this visualization, we can see that area of the crop in that particular state. So this is the first report. Let's go to the next report. Yeah. This report based on the states. So crop season by state. Here we can see that area of that particular crop according to that season in that state. Yeah. This second one is yield of the particular crop in that particular year of the state. Here we can see that yield of the state in that year. So this describes about production of the season according to the state. So this pie chart describes about production of the crop according to the state. So these are the two reports that we have seen. Let's go to the story. This story contains overall analysis of all the dashboards and reports. So this is our project title. This is crop by state analysis. So this analysis is crop by year colored by season. This is the crop by year trend that we have seen in overall years. So this is a table that describes about particular crop according to the states and districts. This is also a table that describes about crop for a particular district and in that season. So this is an analysis that describes about production units of the particular crop. Yeah, this is this is also an analysis that describes about production according to the particular year. Here we can see that the analysis that we have seen of the visualization that we have taken. Yeah, this visualization describes about crops according to the season. This visualization describes about state by season colored by crop. Here we can see in the particular state and in that particular season the crops analysis. So these are the number of crops and this is the visualization. So this is the overall analysis. Yeah. This visualization describes about production according to that state. This is the overall analysis based on the dataset that we have taken.